What's up guys, Nick here, back with another quick iOS tips that could totally save your day. Have you ever had this problem? Your iPhone gets stuck in recovery mode, so you try a force restart. But after restarting, it still goes right back to recovery mode. And honestly, when even force restart doesn't work, it can feel like there's nothing else you can do. But don't rush to a repair shop yet. Today I'll show you 3 free ways to get your iPhone out of a recovery mode loop. Totally free, nothing to pay. First, if you have another iPhone nearby, you can try using Apple's assisted recovery feature. On the iPhone that's stuck, press the power button several times until it enters assisted recovery mode. Then place your spare iPhone next to it. You should see a repair pop up on the working iPhone. Tap Continue, enter the pairing code, and choose Exit Recovery Mode. After that, the spare iPhone will help the stuck iPhone exit the recovery mode screen. Pretty simple, right? But if you don't have another iPhone, no worries. Let's move to the second method. You can use iTunes or Finder to update the iOS firmware. Connect your iPhone to your computer, then open iTunes or Finder. Once your device is detected, you'll usually see a message saying there's a problem with your iPhone. Here, you'll get 2 options, Update or Restore. I recommend trying Update first because it refreshes the iOS firmware without erasing your data. Only choose Restore if Update doesn't work, because Restore will erase everything on your iPhone. Now, what if you just want a faster way to exit recovery mode without updating iOS and without wiping your data? That's where ReiBoot comes in. Connect your iPhone to the computer, open ReiBoot, and look at the bottom left corner. You'll see the Exit Recovery Mode option. Just click it, wait a few seconds, and your iPhone should restart and exit the recovery mode loop. This is honestly the method I use most when my iPhone gets stuck during an iOS update or system repair, because it's quick, simple, and the Exit Recovery Mode feature is completely free. And ReiBoot can do more than that. You can also use it to upgrade or downgrade your iPhone. For example, if you want to try the latest iOS 27 beta, you can update directly from here. And if you don't want to keep it, ReiBoot also supports downgrading back to iOS 26 in one place. I'll put the download link in the comments below. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips. I'm Nick, and I'll see you in the next one.